Richmond County Dispatch confirms one person is dead after being shot this morning on Wiley Drive, the side of Old Louisville Road. The coroner has been called to the scene. He was reportedly shot in the stomach and chest. No other information is available.
Love me not, we going straight up to the top. Love me not, we were posted on the block. Whole city steady screaming lonely rock. Love me not, he hard bro and toting glocks. Loyalty is all he know, he ain't gon' flop. Let a nigga run out wrong, he gon' get popped. Yeah, gon' get popped. Took a year off, now I'm back at the top. Yeah, it's in my blood. Diamond dripping on a nigga like a flood. Yeah, can't tell me shit. Young nigga, everything I do legit. Ayy, them niggas capping, they ain't trapping in no bricks. Told my brother he can quit hitting licks. He's traumatized, niggas stay towing sticks. He so hard to say, don't never trust no bitch. Ayy, she only text a nigga when she want the dick. Don't get no text back, then she catch a fit. I'm somewhere in the trap with my niggas lit. Free K, they done made my niggas sick. Damn, they done made my niggas sick. And my nigga in that bed looking sick. Nigga stay up in your lane. These niggas chain up on the game. Ayy, Leak ain't in it for no fame. Yeah, bitch, I got diamonds in my chain. You better stay up in your lane. Them niggas going crazy and they super sane. Let me not, we going straight up to the top. Let me not, we were posted on the block. Whole city steady screaming on the rock. Let me not, he hard bro and toting glocks. Loyalty is all he know, he ain't gon' flop. Let a nigga run up wrong, he gon' get popped.